Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Tilda to publish marketing pages fast, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Tilda account. Once logged in, click on the Create New Project button. Choose a blank page or select a template suitable for your marketing page. Familiarize yourself with the Tilda block system, which lets you build pages using pre-designed blocks. Drag and drop a header block from the menu on the left. Customize your header by clicking on the text and entering your own title and subtitle. Next, add an image block to showcase your product or service. Upload your desired image by clicking on the image placeholder. Adjust the settings to ensure it fits well within your design. Now, add a text block beneath the image to describe your offering. Use concise language that highlights the benefits. Incorporate a call to action block to encourage visitors to take the next step. Customize the button text to make it compelling. Consider adding testimonial blocks to build trust. Choose testimonials that relate closely to the service or product you are promoting. Once you have all blocks in place, review your layout for consistency and flow. Use the preview function to see how your page will look to visitors. Make any necessary adjustments to layout or content during the preview. When satisfied, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Select your domain or set a new one if necessary. Confirm the settings and hit Publish again to make your page live. Lastly, test the page thoroughly to ensure all links and elements function correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.